my soul, and pleasure to my eyes. In my heart I can feel it, an unexplainable feeling. Being a father, the best thing that I could ever ask for. Just thinking of you makes me smile. Holding you, looking in your eyes, I'm so grateful for having you. And every day I pray that you'll find your way. You know I love you.
1, 2, 3. Setelah itu diambil jempolnya, tapi dari atas, karena ini tadi kan gak kena jempolnya ya. 1, 2, 3.